Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It is Angela, the Traveling Crafter. Today we are going to flip through a couple of gifted items from Grabie. And if you are unfamiliar with Grabie, they are a fantastic company that supplies artists with different tools and kits that they can then use in their art projects. And they also give back to different organizations to help those that are underprivileged to be able to have the tools and the resources to create art as well. So let's take a look, and I think I have a really good idea about what I'm going to do with said items. So first of all, they've changed things up a little bit, and they are doing a kit a little bit differently, wherein they're providing a book. This is a illustrated sticker book, and it is for Grabie by Megan Mellistration. So this came in the kit along with the box, which I thought was really cool. And this box is super, super heavy. I don't know if it was an extra little goodie and add-on that they tucked in, but it is super, super cute. Now, as you probably know, I don't do a lot of fall and or Halloween related art projects. So I thought it might be fun, and these are all pages in the front. I thought it might be fun to do this in lieu of our Crafty Cash that we do at our live sales, to perhaps in the next couple of weeks give these 2 kits away, because I would hate to create projects with them and destroy the beauty of this for someone who absolutely loves fall, who loves Halloween, and can use this in a more resourceful way than I might. So that is my plan. And I love the Grabie boxes. This is just something that is not really my aesthetic to craft with, but absolutely beautiful, stunning pages. There's, I mean, tons of actual papers, but then all of the stickers are amazing. And then on the back, they have more papers. So that is, these are stunning. This one actually would be really cute. You could convert that into like a Wizard of Oz type of scene, I think. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at those. So cute. So many things. I mean, you could make journal after journal, or decoupage, or mixed media. You could even do some assemblage with some of these things, because it's such a versatile little kit. I love it. So, oh, and more papers back here. My goodness. Wow. Oh, these are big. These are like almost like wrapping paper. You could use it for wrapping paper. Yes, you can indeedy. I just realized that Halloween is coming up, and we have hundreds of little kiddos in our neighborhood, and I'm not going to be home here to do Halloween. So what a bummer. All right, let's get to the box. So we first open this up, and it's called the Autumn Palette. And inside here is the beautiful tissue. I'm going to try to keep this as perfect as possible so that we can do this as a giveaway. I don't know what that is. First of all, there's this tiny itty bitty mini paper punch. How cute is that? Let's see. Very nice. I like the aesthetic of this. Feels really nice. So there is that. This must have been what came in this. No? I don't know. Oh, these are all die cuts. Look how pretty these are. Ooh, these are yummy. Love these. So pretty. Now, the option is, as I look through these, I need to see what is in here, but some of these might work with the Laura Ingalls or the Prairie Girls journals. I am going to be working on those while I am traveling, so perhaps that would work. Maybe. But if not, it will all be gifted. For sure, the sticker book, the collage book, will be coming to an upcoming sale. In here, I don't know. This is just some jute twine. There are some little leaves. This looks like a pendant. Yep, it's a pin. Cute. Maybe this is what was in here. It's the little Grabie sticker. I must have opened this up and looked at it a little bit before. I don't know what this is all for. No, it doesn't go there. I'm so confused. And in here, we have this cute little pack. Oh, that's adorable. Ooh, look at this, you guys. This little mesh. These are all, ooh, soft little fabrics and papers. Gorgeous. No, this is going to need to go all together. Look at that. To a new owner. And then hopefully, whoever is the recipient will send us some photos of what they make with all of this loveliness. Love it. All right, and lastly, this is where things get switched up. And this is why I think they popped in that extra Halloween collage kit. Because in this kit, this is what they're doing. Instead of sending a bunch of individual things, they are putting in a book. And this is called the Cut Out and Stick It collage book, the Autumn Palette. 200 pages of paper and sticker goodies. So let's take a look. Ooh, look at this. That's nice. This is a big pull-out. Ooh, that's pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, somebody is going to love this. So I'm going to take this right out to my car and have it ready to do as a giveaway. Actually, maybe I'll keep this one here because I only have one live sale while I'm up there, and then we're off the 1 week. So, oh my goodness, these are tags, papers, stickers. Look at all those stickers. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the mushies. And then I will do a giveaway on our first sale, which this will be perfect for November, right? Oh my gosh. Love it. Look at those. All the farm animals. Now, those I would probably use. Cute. Well, make sure that you take a second and subscribe so that you don't miss the upcoming live sales where I will be doing these giveaways. Thank you, Grabie, for sponsoring today's video and for all of the lovely, lovely gifts that you've provided. And thank you for letting me be a part of the artistic fun that you create. Oops, I forgot these. Every single month. And go check them out at Grabie.com, and you can see all of the different boxes and the themes that they have, and grab one for yourself. So until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.